Owning a pool should be easy. Making family memories, improved health benefits, plus that simple pleasure of relaxation. Simplify your pool life with Paramount's PV3 in-floor cleaning and circulation system. And build your new pool to clean itself, so you don't have to. Here's how it works. PV3's technologically advanced nozzles placed strategically in the floor, spa, steps, and benches are activated by Paramount's unique water valve. These cleaning nozzles pop up in a controlled sequence, directing a stream of water that moves debris toward PV3's active MDX R3 safety drain. From there, debris travels to optional deck side or equipment pad debris canisters for easy debris removal. When not operating, the nozzles disappear back into the pool floor, making them virtually invisible. No unsightly robotic cleaners or hoses, just a sparkling clean pool. Always swim ready, always ready to enjoy. Unlike traditional pools, which return water near the surface, PV3 circulates water to the entire pool by returning it throughout the pool floor. This mixing action improves circulation, reduces chemical use and heating costs, and provides a more consistent pool temperature. Even without a heater, you can extend the length of your swimming pool season with the sun-warmed water more evenly circulated to every depth of the pool. To enhance your PV3 system, consider adding optional swing jets. Unlike traditional wall returns, which direct water outward toward the surface, swing jets direct water along the wall, enhancing overall circulation. Since 1964, Paramount has been committed to helping you get maximum enjoyment out of your new pool with minimal effort. Built by the world's #1 in-floor cleaning systems company, PV3 comes with a 99% cleaning guarantee and limited lifetime warranty on cleaning jets. Discover how simple cleaning your new pool can be. We're Paramount, and it's what we do.